Hey guys, back to the doghouse today. Today is the day we got some news about the doghouse. I told you guys, I guess on BW's Live, that big news from the doghouse this week. Well, today is this week. I wanted to get the Fargo on the road, get it all safetied, so I can go cruising by 24th of May. And, well, it looks like we're going to maybe meet that deadline. I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, that's not the news. Stick around. We'll show you what's happening. Don't go away. It's happening now. There, so we're leaving the doghouse. We're just going to go to the front of the house here for a sec. How do you like that? The doghouse has a new play toy. Let me give you a walk around. Don't go away. Stay right there. A 1940 Buick Special. Why is it special? Because it's mine. And that's what I'm going to be working on as soon as I'm done the Fargo. Let me give you a little walk around, tell you about it. Just hang on again. There it is, 1940 Buick Special. Straight 8. And it runs and drives. It doesn't stop though. Anyway, I'll give you a little bit of a tour. See, it's super. I love the hood because it opens up like my Fargo. There it is. Straight 8. There you go. Cool, cool, cool. And I know absolutely nothing about this here. But anyway, here's under the hood. She comes up like the Fargo. I just love that. I love the grille, love the headlights, bumper, just the way it is. And all the badges are here. That is so cool. All the signal lights right here. Of course, headlights are there. These are the handles to open up the hood. Split windshield, of course. The inside is trash, but it's fixable. I know I can do it. I can do all the interior. I gotta find somebody or some YouTube channel to show me how to repair this steering wheel. It's almost like an ivory. It's like, well, obviously it's fake ivory, but you can see right through it with light shines on it. I have to reupholster the front seat. The back seat is trash. All I got is springs. I don't know if the gauge is work or not. We'll find out. There's a clock right here. It doesn't work. What I do have, which is cool, right here, oh my gosh, I've got 2 radios. This here is a speaker. But here, got B-U-I-C-K, Buick, right in here. I got 2 of these here. This is the worst one of the 2. But I'm going to use the other one. It's just in the back. This here is the fuel pump. I got to change the fuel pump. The lad said it doesn't work. And my buddy Keith He's an automotive guy. Automotive guy? Stereo automotive guy. He said he can convert this over to the new AM, FM, Bluetooth, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, anyway, as you can see, the back seat is trashed. All it is springs. Got a lot of little extra parts with it. This here is cool. This here is a dimmer switch. And I believe this is right from the 40s because there's no way of getting into it. You don't flip the top. You break open the casing and you get, this is not being opened up at all. I've got other parts here that the lad gave me with. This here's the old jack. And it's actually made in Canada. Yeah, but anyway, like I said, the inside is trash, but I don't mind. I can do all this stuff. Need a headliner. Like I gotta find a place that sells all this stuff. Suicide doors. Don't know if I mentioned that to you or not. Yeah, but anyway, suicide doors. Cool. Trunk is cool. I love the hump. And the rear signal lights are really cool. Like you think it'd be there and there are the signal lights. Wrong. Here's the signal lights right here, where it says Buick 8, turn left, turn right. I'm missing the H here, but I've got another badge that I can swap for this here. But those are your signal lights. And this is your license plate light, of course. Whoops. Here's your license plate light in here. Oh, sorry, it's locked. But you know, the bumpers are here. That's great. All the lights, I got all the turn signal lights. These are cool. These rings here. They make it look like you got white wall tires. And Buick on the hubcaps. That is so cool. Everything's original. The only thing I need running boards. I'll find them someplace or I'll make them. But anyway, it's just so cool because it's got everything. And all the windows are good. The horns are here. The only drawback is it's 6 volt. It's got a really good rad. I checked the rad doesn't leak. But all this crap here, I don't know. I'll have to figure that out. I don't know anything about this kind of a motor or the carburetor or absolutely nothing. Like I said, it's 6 volt. If any of you guys know anything about this sort of stuff, give me little tips on how it starts. Like apparently to start the car. Well, you can't see anything. I got boxes in here. To start the car, apparently you step on the gas pedal, push it right down to the floor, and it starts it. I don't know how it does it, but anyway, it does it. And then you let off the gas pedal and drive along. But you know, it's got the emergency brake cable or handle. It needs to do pads for the clutch. Of course, it's standard. I guess you figured that out. Oh, here's a handle for it. That goes along with it. Here's that other. Here, so I'll take the H off of this one here and put it on the back, or I'll just replace the whole thing. Yeah. So anyway, it's kind of a cool old car. $23,590, all original. Not. Yeah, but the yeah, it's cool. I like the gauges. Yeah. But anyway, we'll get her done next year. I have no intention of doing it now. But the way I look at it, I see it now, I buy it now, because, you know, it's not like you got 100 of these here floating around. Yeah, so anyway, the main thing is the starting of it, where you push down on the gas pedal to make it start. I don't know anything about that, so yeah, so if you guys know anything about these cars, how the starter works and this sort of stuff, and anything about it whatsoever, we got to leave it on a back seat. I need a new back seat. Anyway, any help will be really appreciated. So anyway, that's a little walk around. I'm going to have fun with this here next year. The body is solid. There's no Bondo in it hardly at all. There's a little bit at the back and this sort of stuff, but no holes. There's one little hole in the fender here. That's it. The rest of it is, you know, it's got wear and tear and this sort of stuff, but I cannot complain about anything on this here. Even the rubbers are good on the windows. Yeah. So anyway, that's the Doghouse's project for 2021 late and 2022.